What's going on, everyone? Here we're in beautiful Fort Myers, Florida at one of our commercial accounts. This coffee chain likes to have a non-skid patio, so we're going to be spraying some spray texture and then 2 coats of tinted sealer, and then topping that off with spraying some decorative sealer. The product we're using is called SureTex. It's made by Surecrete. We add an integral color pack to each bag of SureTex, and the color we use is sand buff for this job. And you can use it for multiple applications, but it's made more to be sprayed out of a hopper. The hopper we use is a Marshalltown that we get from Lowe's. We mix 5 to 6 quarts of water, depending on how thick we want it and what the weather and the climate is. And then we'll spray it onto the patio so it gives it that nice non-skid texture. And you will have to dial the pressure in on the hopper depending on your water ratio mixture and so on and so forth. Also, to give you the size of the non-skid texture, we like to do it more on the medium fine side. That helps more with the non-skid, and then the bigger the texture just kind of looks goofier. It's more aesthetically pleasing with the size that we do. Once the spray texture is on and cured, we do 2 coats of the tinted acrylic sealer. This is the first coat. On the first coat, we split the 5-gallon bucket in half, and each half will mix in a quart of xylene, and that just allows the product to really soak into the concrete. We use 18-inch and 9-inch rollers. The nap that you want to use when sealing this spray texture is the 1 3/4 inch nap. Using the bigger nap allows for better coverage and just make sure everything gets nice and sealed. For the second coat, it's pretty much the same exact process minus the xylene. We won't add any extra xylene, but we do add a grip additive. It's called Sure Grip, also made by Surecrete. It's an extra step we like to do that just adds a little bit more grip to the patio. We'll also cut in the faces during the second coat as well. Then to top it all off, we sprayed 2 different colors of a tinted acrylic sealer, and it's more for aesthetic reasons. We spray almond on the first round and then charcoal on the second. This process is done with the hopper as well. And this is what the final product looks like when it's all said and done. If you like the content, guys, please consider subscribing, consider liking the video. It does help out a lot. Thank you, and as always, have a great day.